LeeRoy, are you ready for your haircut? Oh my god, that thing stopped so fast. Are you ready for a bath? Guys, today is the day. I ordered some dog clippers and they got delivered today. Shout out Amazon, overnight delivery. This is a mess underneath this cute little hoodie. I don't even know. Like, I thought his hair would grow out nice, but because he is a poodle and a Yorkie mix, it's just a lot of waves and curls. Oh, sorry, internet. You don't need to be seeing all of that. I don't know how we're gonna cut his hair. Definitely gonna trim his face, but I want to keep it long. I'm still trying to grow out his ponytail. He has a little bit of a pony, but we're working on that. Gonna keep his tail nice and long, but I'm definitely gonna trim around his paw area because this is getting a little long. I kind of want to shave his back and definitely shave his belly. I don't know what I want to do with the legs. I mean, it could look cool if we leave the leg hair. Like, he could look a little funky. I just don't want to give him a fugly haircut, considering the fact that I've never done this before. Yes, hot mess. This vlog is going to be all about him today. I like to just do things myself because save your coins, okay? I can just make it work. But yeah, definitely going to shave all of this. Keep the tail long, keep the face long, trim the paw area. I'm gonna cut his nails today as well. Shave underneath the belly. Let's go get a haircut. Come on, baby. Oh, what he doesn't know. Come on. Good boy. All right, so I am going to put some music over the top because I need to concentrate and not stress out, but I'll leave a link down below to the kit that I ordered. It wasn't too pricey, not sponsored. Just showing you guys how to do things yourself. I charged it all day, and I think I'm just gonna use the smallest guard because I really just want to shave this, but it does come with 4 different guards. It also comes with scissors, which is great, and then also a comb as well. You see how good he is? Hopefully he doesn't freak out, but pray for us. And also it's not too loud so it won't startle your dog, okay? I'm gonna comb him first. I did this yesterday so we wouldn't be tangled. Ooh. See that? Like, it's just not, I guess, the texture I was hoping it. I thought it would be a little more straight, honestly, but it's not like that. Good boy. My baby's gonna be so cute. God, we hope so. I'm kind of scared. I know, baby. I don't even know which way you go. I just hope I don't give him a bald spot, like on Barbershop, a patch in your head. Oh, you're cute. You're all gray. No one judge my technique if you're out here and you are a dog groomer. Don't come for me. Oh, baby, you're gonna be so cute.
Made it clear what I feel for you when you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day? We drew the blinds and we felt no shame. Now we're not sure if we feel the same, and I need you to know that I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it tonight.
but you're making me over and over. Why do I still need you? You don't even want me. Stop taking my breath away. Why can't I just leave you? Find someone who'll treat me better and better each day. Don't you know what you've done to me? Don't you feel when you're touching me? Am I made of glass? You look right through me, shouting, but you're hearing nothing. With every touch I start to shatter. Tell me, don't you know?
Alright guys, we are done. I did not cut his nails. I think I'm gonna just take him in to get him cut because it takes me so long. I get so nervous for that part. But LeeRoy is ready for a nap. But before he gets a nap and before I say goodbye, I think it's time for one more thing. LeeRoy, do you want a treat? You want a treat? Let's go get a treat. I cleaned him up one more time after we blow dried him. Look, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but you can see how his muscles, okay? That booty. Wow, the sass. Okay, he's in that drawer because that's where I keep his treats, but mommy got you some new ones today. I got you some new treats. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are the smoked chicken tenders from Trader Joe's. They have a great selection of dog treats. Look, the only ingredient is chicken. Nope, sit. Good boy, stay. I don't know if I should give this. Nope, sit. Gosh, you are just so cute with your little, nope, ponytail. LeeRoy, smile. Oh, good boy. Oh no, you better get that off my bed. Let's go to your bed. Thank you. I hope you dolls enjoyed that little Lee vlog today. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Give this vlog a thumbs up if you like more of LeeRoy. I don't know if this is interesting. If you guys have dogs, maybe you find this type of content somewhat decent, but I don't know until you guys tell me. So hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you dolls next time. Bye!